put icing and jimmies around the rim of our bowls. You want to help me?
Outside?
Yes.
Yeah.
Want candy?
I'm gonna put different candy on there.
Jelly bean? Here you go. Okay, now that we have our bowls decorated, we're gonna do an 18 topping ice cream challenge. Yeah. Right, Jay, you excited?
Okay.
Before we do this, we have two types. We have two types of ice cream. We have Neapolitan and we have, what's the other one that we have?
Vanilla, and then chocolate, and then strawberry.
Which is Neapolitan.
And then we have
red velvet cake. So before we get started, we have to shoot it out. Let's see who's gonna get the red velvet cake, okay? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Whoever wins gets the red velvet cake.
Yeah.
Ready? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. I win.
No!
So
she gets velvet cake.
I get red velvet cake. And Justin's gonna get the Neapolitan.
Yes, yes.
So let's scoop it out.
Here, big spoon. Oh, whoa!
You know, we have to remember, we don't want to do too much because this is an ice cream topping cake. We want more toppings than ice cream.
Yeah.
Right? Okay, so here we go. First scoop. Oh my.
So good.
So good. Mommy gets the red velvet cake. Here we go.
I actually wanted this one.
That's good. Here we go. Red velvet cake. Oh, here's my scoop.
Oh my god, you got the whole sack. Get more. Wow. Are these chocolates?
Oh. Okay, that's perfect.
I really hope I get these.
Okay. So we have 18 different toppings on the wheel.
Yep.
Some of them actually you get 2 different kinds of candy.
Oh.
Okay. So Justin, you go first. Go ahead. Spin the wheel. What'd you get? Oh, you got Kit Kats and Gummi Berries.
My Kit Kats. I'm gonna break pieces off of it.
Go ahead. Cross off, we got Kit Kats and Gummi Berries. Crossing it off, okay? And it's Mommy's turn. Here we go. Ready? What are we gonna get? Ooh, Swedish fish. I'll take that. Okay. It's your turn. Go ahead. Oh, you got Oreo cookies. He's got. Yummy. That looks so good. Okay, now it's Mommy's turn. Can I have your cup, please? Thank you. Okay, now it's Mommy's turn. Let's see what I'm gonna get. Tommy, you wanna spin it for Mommy? Go ahead, spin it for Mommy. Go ahead, ready? Spin it. Cotton candy!
No!
Oh, that's perfect.
Mom, don't like dump it in because we might.
I want to put some, maybe like, no I can't. I'm going to put a little bit in.
Look at the fish.
Some cotton candy here. There we go. Okay. Justin's turn. Go ahead. Sour Patch Freeze candies. There you go.
Sour thing.
Ooh, yours is looking good so far, Jay. Thumbs up?
Yep. Thumbs up. It's my mom's turn.
My turn. Here we go. What do you think I'm gonna get?
Probably these.
Nerds? Actually, I got Tootsie Rolls. I love Tootsie Rolls. Can you help me undo these?
Yeah.
We got Tootsie Rolls.
How about you do all of them? Because you're gonna do all of them. Because I don't really like them.
Just a few of them.
Yeah. Mine looks the best right now.
Yours looks so good.
I know.
Okay.
It's my turn.
Now it's Justin's turn. Oh, you always get two. You're so lucky. You got marshmallows and M&Ms. You are the lucky boy.
But these are those.
You have the plain M&Ms and the marshmallows. Let's show everybody. The plain M&Ms and the marshmallows. Okay, cross off what you just got.
Yeah.
Okay, it's Mommy's turn. Oh, we already got that one. Do it again. Ooh, Nerds and Gummy Peaches. Do you want to put them in for Mommy?
Yeah.
So we got the Nerds.
Not too much nerds. Not too much.
Put it in mine. There you go. Put them all around. There you go.
That's enough.
Oh, yes. Okay, and then Gummy Peaches.
Okay. I'm still doing a little bit.
Okay. Ooh, how's that looking? Oh,
Looks
delicious.
good.
It's looking so delicious.
I know. And these peaches are good.
Okay, we're gonna cross that off. Nerds and Gummy Peaches. And now it's your turn, Justin. Go ahead. Oh, spin again. Oh, you got caramel.
M&Ms.
You got caramel M&Ms before the little guy spun it.
Okay, we got these.
So go ahead. Caramel M&Ms. Perfect. Okay, it's Mommy's turn.
Okay.
Tommy, spin it for Mommy. Watermelon Sour Patch. Here we go.
I'll put it in 3.
Thank you. Dump them all in. Attaboy. Okay.
Spread them out.
Go ahead. I'm gonna cross that off for Mommy.
Yep.
There you go. Nice job. Okay. Your turn.
Okay.
We don't have that many left. Oh, you got Dots and Sour Sketty. Dots. That's
Oh yes, I wanted dots.
Dots and Sour. You're getting the nice ones. It's so colorful. Perfect. Oh, so good. So yummy.
I love these.
Okay, so we have sour gummy worms, cookies and cream drops, and jelly beans left.
Yep.
Here we go. It's Mommy's turn. What do we got? Cookies and cream drops and sour worms. Yes. So cookies and cream. I'm gonna do this ready.
Oh no. Oh,
it's okay.
I'll eat these.
Perfect. And sour worms. Ooh, oh, that's gonna be yummy. Okie dokie. Wow, look at these. Coming along. So we have one more. Let's see if you get it. Either way, you get the jelly beans. Okay, we didn't get it, so let's just move it to jelly beans since that's the last one. Go ahead, put your jelly beans in. Amazing.
Wait, one more thing that we do. We need whipped cream other than that.
Yeah. Now that we're all done, we both get whipped cream, and we both get
syrup.
Delicious strawberry syrup.
Yep.
Okay. So go ahead. You do your whipped cream first. See how this is. So we have one more topping.
That's
Here
that.
it is. We're gonna make it, it's like a little decorative topping. And we're gonna shoot it out. Let's see.
And we're gonna shoot.
I'm gonna shoot it out to see who gets it, okay? Rock, paper, scissors.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
You won!
Yay, I got it!
You just get to stick it right in.
I'm gonna lick it.
Okay.
And now for the fun part.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Okay, so we reached 100 subscribers, therefore we want to give a giveaway, a $15 giveaway to Walmart. And what you need to do is watch our next video. You need to like it and you need to comment. For more questions, you can look down below.
And hit the bell down below.
Hit the bell down below. As always, thanks for subscribing and coming to our channel and watching our shows.
Bye.
Bye. Okay, so we have a little buddy for Mommy. We are going to have Tommy. Tommy, do you want to spin it for Mommy? Go ahead, go spin it. Spin the wheel. Okay, so before we get started,